Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iMessage stuck on verifying phone number. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to verify your iMessage but you're facing the issue that your iMessage has been stuck on verifying phone number, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi cellular data. You can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back and go to language and region, select region and select your own region in which you're living. Again, go back and here go to the data time section and enable the toggle to set your date and time automatically. Go back and go to software again, software update section, and you just have to try to update your software. If you might get any kind of pending software update here, just try to update your software. So after updating your software, you just have to simply go back here, go to general section again, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. So after resetting your network settings, you just have to go back and you have to try to make a force restart with your iPhone. To not do that, you have to quickly press and raise your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry it to check if your issue had been fixed or not. So I hope your issue will be fixed, but in some conditions, if you are still facing the same issue, so this is the only way. You just have to go back and here open your Apple Support app. Very first, you have to make sure that you have no cellular service or you have no signal strength for your SIM or cellular service data. But if you're facing any signal issues, I recommend you have to try to move to that area in which you find the no signal strength. Then after that, you have to retry. Or if you're still facing the same issues, this is the only way. Open your Apple Support app and here select your iPhone from here. Then tap on this more option. Now just look for messages app here. Select that and here just wait for the loading. Then select this get more help option. Tap on callers. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support. Remember, you can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.